So the derivative of cotangent of x is negative cosecant squared x. So the derivative cotangent of 1 minus 2x is negative cosecant squared 1 minus 2x, but we have to use the chain rule. This is the outermost function, the cotangent stuff. Okay? We took that derivative, it's negative cosecant squared. Now we need to multiply it by a derivative of the innermost function. So the derivative of 1 minus 2x is negative 2. That's the first derivative. So if we clean that up, it's a negative times a negative, and we put constants in the front like that. That's the first derivative. The second derivative, well, this whole thing is being squared, right? So we can use the power rule. The 2 comes down and multiplies. We haven't done derivative of the trig function yet because the outermost function was the squaring function. So remember, this is the same thing as this. I made that 2 come down and multiply, and then it get reduced by 1. That's the outermost function. And now a derivative of cosecant, this function right here. The derivative of cosecant, the derivative of cosecant is next. So that's negative cosecant cotangent, right? So negative cosecant, but it's not x, right? Our argument isn't x, it's something a little more complicated. It's 1 minus 2x, that's what goes inside the parentheses. Then it's times cotangent, which is also 1 minus 2x for its argument. That's the derivative of the next innermost function, of the cosecant function. And then there's still a third derivative to happen. Now we need a derivative of the next innermost function. So there's 3 layers to this chain rule. The derivative of 1 minus 2x is negative 2. I think we've got it now. Just going back and checking myself. The 2 came down, multiplied, and then we took a derivative of cosecant, which is negative cosecant cotangent, and we keep the 1 minus 2x inside the parentheses. And then the third one was this innermost function here. Yep, that looks good. So just clean it up. This is 4 times negative 1, that times the negative 2 makes positive 8. And I've got cosecant times cosecant, so let's say cosecant squared 1 minus 2x. And then I've got cotangent 1 minus 2x. I think we're done now.